Welcome back to the Car Xplorer. Today, we're diving into an in-depth review of the 2025 Ram 1500, a full-size pickup that seamlessly blends rugged capability with modern sophistication. Starting with its exterior, the 2025 Ram 1500 receives subtle yet impactful updates. The refreshed front fascia features a more modern appearance, complemented by new lighting elements that enhance visibility and aesthetics. Updated wheel designs and a fresh color palette offer customization options to suit various tastes. These enhancements preserve the Ram's bold and muscular stance while introducing contemporary touches that keep it competitive in the full-size truck segment. Moving inside, the Ram 1500 continues to set the benchmark for interior comfort and quality. The cabin offers generous passenger space and functional storage solutions. Higher trims elevate the experience with premium materials, including available quilted leather upholstery and genuine wood accents. The new range-topping tungsten model exemplifies luxury, featuring 24-way adjustable front seats with massage functions and a 23-speaker Klipsch stereo system. Technological advancements include a standard 12.0-inch touchscreen with an optional 14.5-inch display and a 10.3-inch passenger side screen, ensuring connectivity and entertainment are at your fingertips. Under the hood, the 2025 Ram 1500 introduces significant changes. The traditional Hemi V8 has been replaced by a new twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine, known as the Hurricane. This engine comes in two variants: a standard output producing 420 horsepower and a high-output version delivering an impressive 540 horsepower. Paired with a smooth-shifting 8-speed automatic transmission, the high-output engine propels the Ram 1500 from 0 to 60 mph in a swift 4.2 seconds, showcasing remarkable performance for a vehicle in this class. Additionally, the Ram 1500 offers a comfortable ride, thanks to its rear suspension that uses standard coil springs, with optional air suspension providing adjustable ride height for improved fuel efficiency and off-road capability. For those seeking an alternative powertrain, the 2025 Ram 1500 Ramcharger presents an innovative solution. This plug-in hybrid model combines electric motors on both axles with a 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 gasoline engine that acts as a generator to recharge the battery. This setup provides an all-electric range of approximately 145 miles, with a total range nearing 700 miles when utilizing the gasoline engine. The Ramcharger delivers up to 663 horsepower and 615 lb-ft of torque, with a towing capacity of up to 14,000 pounds, catering to drivers requiring extended range without compromising performance. Pricing for the 2025 Ram 1500 varies across its diverse lineup. The base tradesman model starts at $42,270, offering essential features for those prioritizing functionality. The Rebel trim, designed for off-road enthusiasts, begins at $66,190 and includes enhancements like a specialized suspension and all-terrain tires. At the top end, the luxurious tungsten model is priced at $89,150, reflecting its extensive list of premium features and upscale materials. In summary, the 2025 Ram 1500 continues to excel by combining robust performance, advanced technology, and exceptional comfort. If you enjoyed this review of the 2025 Ram 1500 and found it helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Car Xplorer for more in-depth car reviews. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest cars, trucks, and SUVs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.